Ever wondered why the Canon Pixma iX6820 transforms small business printing? Ever felt like your printer slows down your workflow or leaves your prints dull and lifeless? If so, you're not alone. Many small business owners and creatives struggle with inconsistent quality or limited print sizes. Comment yes if this sounds familiar. There's a printer designed to tackle these headaches while keeping your projects looking professional and vibrant. Deadlines, client expectations, and endless drafts can turn printing into a stressful chore. Low-quality output or wasted ink adds to the frustration. Imagine if there was a printer that combined high-resolution prints, wide-format flexibility, and cost-saving features, all while fitting neatly in your office. Suddenly, producing brochures, posters, or client comps becomes a smooth, professional experience. Meet the Canon Pixma iX6820 wireless business printer, your new printing powerhouse. Capable of printing up to 13 by 19 inches, this wide-format printer handles everything from client proposals to full-bleed posters. Its 6-color individual ink system delivers vivid colors, smoother gradients, and sharper black and white prints. With 9,600 by 2,400 dot per inch resolution, every detail pops, from text to graphics. One freelance designer shared, "Using the gray ink cartridge transformed my portfolio prints. No color casts, just perfect grays." Connectivity is seamless. Wi-Fi, Ethernet, AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and the Canon Print app let you print from laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Automatic duplex printing saves paper while keeping your workflow efficient. For a bonus tip, pairing the iX6820 with high-quality photo paper elevates marketing materials or photo proofs to a near-professional level. Compact yet powerful, this printer gives small businesses and home offices the ability to print large, professional-quality projects in-house, saving time, money, and stress. The Canon Pixma iX6820 turns printing from a routine task into a creative advantage. Large format 13 by 19 inches prints enable in-house marketing materials, posters, and high-quality photo portfolios without outsourcing. Users praise its vibrant, true-to-life color reproduction and consistent output. One small business influencer said, "I can print full-color brochures and flyers on demand, no print shop needed. It saves time and elevates my brand's professionalism." Experts note the printer's versatility. The 6-color ink system, including gray and photo blue, provides more accurate blacks, neutral grays, and richer color depth than standard 4-color printers. Students, photographers, and graphic designers all report improved efficiency and satisfaction. Automatic duplexing and a rear specialty paper feed streamline large format or heavy media printing. Industry analysts highlight that the iX6820 fills the gap between home printers and expensive plotters, offering high-quality output at an accessible price point. Which feature would make your life easier? Wide-format printing, wireless connectivity, or cost-efficient individual ink tanks? Comment below, because this printer transforms professional-quality printing into an effortless, in-house process that inspires confidence and creativity. Don't let low-quality prints or small format limits hold you back. Thousands of small business owners, creatives, and students rely on the Canon Pixma iX6820 for professional, vibrant, wide-format printing. Limited stock means now is the perfect time to upgrade your office setup. Click to unlock high-resolution, large-format printing and experience the convenience of wireless connectivity and individual ink savings. Don't just print. Create professional materials that impress clients, teachers, and peers alike. Transform your workflow today.